Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's really exciting because I had another company send me one of their products and I wanted to go ahead and do a quick review for you guys today on what I got. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Koch Systeme pots, or Koch Systeme pots. I don't really know the pronunciation properly, but they are on Amazon. They're a company of pots and cookware, and they decided to send me one of their 16-piece sets, and this one is really special because it is their red granite set. If you guys know me, you know I love the color red, and you also know I love my kitchen gadgets, so I was really excited when they reached out to me and they wanted to send me a package. So basically, I'm going to go inside this package, show you exactly what I got, give those pans a quick rinse, and then I'm also going to show you guys how I'm using one of these pots in one of my newest recipes that is to come. So bear with me, let me go ahead and open up this box. I'll show you guys exactly what I got. I'm really excited for this one. So I opened up my box of my pots and I just wanted to show you guys what is inside. I will end up taking all the plastic off and rinsing them out just to show you guys what everything looks like, but I guess I could do it on camera too. They're packaged really well. They all come in bubble wrap and they're not taped up, so you have these rubber bands that come right off and you can take the pots and pans right out of the packaging. So I'm liking this one already. It's a deep saute pan. This one comes with a lid, and then they have a little saucepan. Now some of these I already unwrapped because I really wanted to see what they were when I finally got it in the mail. And the handles are really nice and smooth, very comfortable, and I imagine they do not get hot because it has this metal strip here. So this is one of the saucepans, and this is a smaller saute pan. Again, this one comes with a lid, so that's really good. Or actually, this is the lid for the saucepan that I just showed you. This one does not have a lid. So this is another saute pan. This one has more of a flat bottom than the other one. It doesn't really have that rounded edge. And again, this one comes with a lid. And I really like the way that they package it very carefully, so this way nothing got messed up. So now we have one of these like stock pot type things. This is great for like boiling rice, noodles, or anything like that. This one comes with a lid as well. And we have another sauce pot. This one's much bigger than the other one, and this one comes with a lid as well. And lastly, we have the last parts of this set, which is 5 servingware things. So like you have a ladle, you have a spaghetti turner, you have a spoon without the slits, you have one with slits, and you have a spatula. And these feel like the hard plastic one. Alright everyone, so this is what the entire set looks like after I unwrapped everything and I put it out here. So as I said before, you get 2 saute pans, a larger one and a smaller one. The larger one comes with a lid, which is good because if you're cooking bigger things, you can have that covered. And it comes with a deeper saute pan. This one has more of a flat base on it, and this one comes with a lid as well. You also get 2 saucepans. You get a smaller version as well as a larger version, both with lids again. And then you get this larger stock pot. This one's good for like boiling rice, pasta, making soups or anything like that. And I wanted to mention all of these are nonstick, and this is their new red granite line. So I'm really excited to get into these and start using them. Now, as I said before, I don't usually cook with plastic spoons or anything like that just because I find that they melt. What I will probably do is end up using my silicone spoons for these pots. You definitely do not want to use any metal spoons or stainless steel spoons because they will end up scratching and digging that surface. So a few more tips that the company gave me when using these pots is to not heat these up on a very high heat without having anything in them. That dry heat just tends to make that coating go bad after a little while. So all I'm going to do is give them a quick rinse, and I'm going to demo a few of these items just to show you guys how amazing they work. So in the commercials and the reviews that I've seen for this brand of pots and pans, I know that their non-stick brand, they say that you can use no oil and nothing will stick. So we're going to go ahead and test that out today. So I have an egg right here. And I think one of the simplest things you could do in the kitchen is frying an egg. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how it fries in this pan. I'm going to crack it and I'm going to add it right in. Again, I didn't put any oil, so I'm going to allow this to fry up a little bit, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like when it is ready to flip. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper on my egg. And I think at this point we can go ahead and try to flip it. So I'm going to grab my silicone spatula. I'm going to go under, and if you guys look at that, it is not sticking at all. The egg's a little soft just because I didn't let it sit for too long, but it is not sticking. So as you guys can see, you get a nice crispy edge. Obviously I didn't do that great of a job turning it around because this spatula is a little bit too thick for the egg. So yeah, I think this one is pretty successful. Looks like you do not have to put in any oil if you wanted to fry an egg or if you wanted to saute something really quickly and you wanted to do something really healthy. So just to show you guys how non-stick these are, I'm going to show you the slide off of the pan. So look at that. Nothing sticked or anything like that. And as you guys can see, nothing is sticking to the pan whatsoever. Alright guys, so you already saw me demo that little frying pan with me making the egg just to show you guys how non-stick these Koch System pans are. And they're really, really good. And I just wanted to show you guys how it works on my outdoor gas stove. Now these pans, when you get the instruction manual and the care manual for them, it says you can use it on an induction top, you can use it on a gas stove, or even on an electric stove. So I wanted to take it outside and show you guys how it works. The pan is not heating up too fast as long as you keep it on a moderate heat. And as you guys can see, it is frying up really, really well in this pot. So this is a new recipe I'm working on for you guys. I'm trying to make a condiment with some golden apples, lots of hot peppers, and some spices. So I'm not showing the full recipe in this video. Look out for a next video. And my sister Chloe is going to be in that video with me. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how amazing everything's frying up. Nothing is sticking at all. Nothing's burning, most importantly. And honestly, I'm very, very happy with these pots. So I'm also just going to hold the handle. And the handle is not hot either. As I said before, these handles are nice and smooth, so they're not hot at all. Like I can pick it up and I'm not feeling any burntness on my hands, or it's not too hot for me. Alright everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this little review for this Koch System pot set. Now again, I hope you also enjoyed the little demos that I did just to show you guys how it worked. I will have all their information in the description box down below on how you can purchase from them. Again, they're on Amazon, so you can purchase through them and then you can get your Amazon Prime or free shipping or whatever works for you on Amazon. So I totally recommend them. I love how these pots are working out. I cannot wait to showcase them in some more of my recipe demos and videos. And I hope you guys have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed, give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Make sure you click that little bell notification icon and you'll be one of the first to know when I post one of my newest recipes. And of course, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys would like me to make you next. I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye everyone.